Okay.
Wait, I pressed the wrong one. Nice.
Good one.
A good one. Okay.
Alright, so bird tanks green strings at the start, and tiger tanks red strings at the start, and then if you need to take more red strings, so be it.
Oh, I got knocked away. Nice. Okay, blue's hot.
Alright, now blue is fine.
That's
Okay,
fine.
perfect.
And just out of my roar.
Off break. Give me a sec.
Yep.
Going.
Okay.
Red.
Yeah, I'll try to take red strings here.
On my framed.
It's too hard actually while bursting.
Honestly, just hit me, bird. Hit me.
Dog's getting high.
Painting. Got it.
Oh my god.
Yo, this one. Oh, I
Up at me.
Oh, cleanse and shock zones. There's too many.
Oh, break.
It was a little high.
Yep, this is okay. Let's start getting the coils. He's top.
Okay.
He's gonna get. Okay. Oh, we should have middle technique, huh? See your barrier here. Okay. Blue's low, so we need to
I got
hit.
it.
I mean, we're about to burst, so.
I'll stand green left side.
Up at
So
me.
we're bursting, but no origin. Just regular.
Okay. We're getting hit in Tiger. Bursting in Dog, so we need to kind of increase Tiger gauge.
Okay, we're
Waiting
gonna
for green
use some
strings.
greens.
Okay.
We're fine. We're getting hidden tiger.
Yep.
Red string.
Got it.
Oh,
Alright, next painting burst.
sure. Uh-oh.
Oh, we're getting hit in Tiger.
We have shock zones. We're fine.
Okay, red strings.
Red. I need
Red
like 30
strings.
More
seconds.
reds, more
More red
reds.
string.
I need 30. I need 3 seconds. Okay. Nice.
Got it.
I'm gonna
I'll take one red.
Okay, let's start setting up the coils.
Red still.
Red strings. Alright,
I'm waiting for first.
5 on domain.
Okay. Need to hit a little bit. That's fine. Let me know when you're charging.
I'm charging right now.
Okay.
I'll be ready when he activates. Barrier
Oh,
red
sorry,
on
he's
me.
not activated yet. Oh, I use my roar. Origin?
So we're bursting after this.
Try to
And
cleanse.
There's gonna be an origin burst as well.
Painting.
Ah, frick, there's a shock zone like
I got it.
on my barrier. Ain't no way.
It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Oh, that's my bad. My mistake.
I'm looking for reds.
We're fine on red.
sure.
Blue's high, blue's high,
Dodged it.
blue's high. We need some red strings. Red strings.
Alright, dog's dead.
Nice.
Where am I going?
Go to
you can honestly
Tiger if you
just
can.
Go bird first, yeah. just
Bird
go bird.
come bird first.
Okay, let's get the coil activated, Kevin.
Okay. What's your small burst timer?
It's up, like, it's blinking. I'm using it
Oh,
now.
what the heck? We were off sync. By a few seconds.
I mean, my AV just come in now. If that means
let's take
anything.
a bit of green string. Okay, that's good.
Oh yeah, we're small receiving tigers, so we'll probably get hit.
He's in painting. Got it. Come back.
We're just DPSing this, right?
Ah, frig, my
There's
Blue's
low.
getting high.
I wasn't looking.
We're gonna take yellow strings
Yeah.
here.
Okay, stop getting hit by bird.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
don't
bad.
get by bird.
Oh
Purple's
my
dying.
God.
Purple's
I'm
dying.
going right side of tiger. I'm gonna take yellow strings.
Purple is done.
Get the fuck away from this guy. He's flying, dodges, don't get hit.
Okay.
He's bottom right.
Alright, everybody get hit by yellows.
Yeah, I'm
Try to
staying
get
on
yellow
this side.
strings.
Alright.
Oh, okay, that's a lot.
It's
That's a
fine,
lot.
It's fine. It's fine.
That's
That's fine. It's fine. It's
We
fine.
have shock zones. We have shock zones.
Am I bursting here, guys, for this bird?
No,
Yeah, you-
we're just DPS. Why don't we just
Yeah.
DPS?
How long till Tiger?
21.
Okay, you can burst.
21. Burst is coming up.
2 minutes burst. 2 minutes burst. 2 minutes burst.
Yeah, 2 minutes to burst it. Oh. Goodbye.
He hasn't activated this coil yet. What's happening? Oh,
FMA.
Come. Wait until
Oh,
he flies, then you guys burst. Actually-
There's shock zones.
He's pretty much gone.
Okay.
Okay. Are you guys good
Outside.
for us to come?
Wait, he's gonna come top.
We're setting
Okay,
up.
you guys can
burst.
come in now. We're setting up burst right now with the coils.
Okay.
I'm gonna iframe us, and then we can burst it down to 0.
To be honest, we
Fine.
probably don't even
Go
need the
left,
coils.
go left,
You can
go
try
left.
though.
Go left.
Yeah,
Do you
come
have
left, come
iframe?
left, come left.
Yeah,
From
I have
left?
iframe for us.
Dude, I'm coming here. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Where is he?
Oh, when he comes to us, just
He's
Illium my
over this
frame.
hole.
Just
Careful,
Oh.
careful, reds.
Don't take reds.
For reds.
Don't take reds, don't take reds.
do you have Illium my frame?
Okay, you're iframe now.
Okay.
Oh,
I'll just full bird.
my burst is...
Yo, frick this guy.
Wait, what the fuck?
Okay, I'm Jenny framing.
I wanted to take a string, I didn't even take it.
Careful
Yo,
HP.
careful. I still have pop coming. I'm still
Okay.
pop coming.
Okay.
I'm
buying
gonna
it.
chill right to try and take some yellow strings.
Yeah, I'm trying to tank yellows right now.
Oh,
Oh.
point seven.
Watch out, don't hit,
He's
don't
right,
hit
he's
it.
right, top right.
Top right.
Although that origin does damage, yo.
Yo,
Okay, our
I
gauge
told
is good,
you,
our gauge is
pop
good. Try not to get hit by them. TP'd?
Pop coming.
Bot right.
I full bursted, so it's 2 minutes, unfortunately.
Yeah,
Longest
it'll be
cooldown
2
will probably be
minutes.
domain.
Top right.
Top right.
Jump down.
He's still top right.
Bot right.
Bot right.
FMA.
FMA.
Watch strings here.
Oh, I got hit. That was tactical.
Oh shoot.
Bot
Bottom.
left. Oh, watch out.
Black.
Don't take hits by him. Take like 1 yellow.
Yep.
He's
This is
bottom.
fine. Just
Bottom
take
mid.
some reds after, and we're chilling.
Okay,
roughly
me and Sol
90
will
seconds.
grab one each.
Just take one red.
Yeah, take
Yeah.
1 red.
Hmm.
That's
Okay.
good.
Okay, we're good.
Top,
Stop.
By the way, he's top by the way.
Top left.
Can you cleanse the?
TP'd.
Bot
He's
right.
bot right.
Bad guy.
Careful for
It's
his
okay.
attacks.
As long as
Alright,
only
you guys
like
take-
1 or 2 people get
let's
hit
take-
at most.
I actually haven't.
Can you guys get a few yellows?
Yeah. Let's
Yeah.
take two yellow.
Having more purple is good anyway. To be honest.
Oh.
Yeah.
Top
True,
right.
true.
Top right.
Top right. Get down.
Oh, I'm gonna shock, so I'm trolling. XD. Thanks for cleansing.
40 on domain. 40 on domain.
Bot right. Bot left.
bottom,
Bot
bot
left.
Bot left.
FMA.
Okay.
Ah, frick.
35
TP'd?
seconds on my burst.
Top right.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
I'm gonna take a yellow string here. Let's try to keep Tiger a little low so that we don't accidentally grief while facing.
That's fine. Bot left.
How long?
10 seconds. We can just go.
We just send.
Let's
We
go,
just send.
let's
We just
go.
send. We just send.
We should go before we fuck this up.
Where?
Yeah.
Ball left. Ball
Ball
left. Ball left. Ball left.
You know what?
TP'd.
You guys can do it.
Top right. Top right. Okay,
nice.
we're out.
All right.
All right. Same strat.
All right, I'll do this the usual.
Mm-hmm. I don't think I'll origin here with you guys.
No,
Yeah,
only
that's
two of
fine.
us. Only Bam, Adele, Origin.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm going.
Go.
Okay, the HP do be going down.
It's gonna blow
Nice.
up. Yep.
Nice.
Okay.
All right.
Hang left a little bit. We're gonna let the dog and
Well, we're
Tiger
cheesing,
gauge.
right? We're cheesing.
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
choosing.
we're
We're choosing. We're choosing.
Try to dodge the missiles that come out.
Yep.
Yep.
Watch the dog
It's gonna
missiles.
come out fast.
Yeah.
Don't, not everybody get hit by the missile.
I'm not even in yet.
Up.
Still loading.
Go the missiles.
Aside a dog first,
Jesus, bro.
and then we'll leave after.
Alright, someone attract Kalin over here.
Yeah, I got it.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
we're good,
we're good, we're
good.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
I'm
we're
still-
playing G strat.
I'm gonna origin.
So put a fountain on us.
Wait. Can I hit?
Dodge
Oh,
the
frick.
things on the ground.
Bro.
Watch the shit on the ground. Watch the shit on the ground.
Yep.
Up.
Oh, sorry, that was me.
Calling's coming.
Get the fuck away from that.
Careful.
Aggro, aggro.
Come on. Use the aggro thing. Get her away.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, it doesn't really
Up.
work.
Scroll.
Oh my god.
Oh, we need someone take reds. We
Up.
need someone take reds.
I'll take it. 'Cause I'm freaking useless outside burst. I'm
Up.
trying. Oh, this is bad. Oh, that's bad. I got flung across the universe.
Just come back.
Oh, I think I have a
Yeah,
ball on
Tiger.
me.
Do not be in Tiger.
Okay, we have fountain. We're good.
Up.
Okay.
Watch for Kalin's KB as well.
As long as she's away from it, should be okay.
Mm-hmm. Up.
Our Origin's coming up on the next burst.
Okay. 37 seconds.
I'm in
Yeah,
45.
37.
Up.
What do you want me to iframe though?
You are offering first, I think. Oh,
Up.
We need some yellows. We need
Yellows, yellows, yellows.
there we go.
some red strings.
Yep,
Yeah,
I'm
grab some
on it.
reds. Up.
Up.
Okay, I got 2, but that did nothing.
Oh, I got
Oh.
TP'd.
I don't.
Oh my,
Someone's getting flown.
Oh,
Up.
going around the world,
Oh,
bro.
we need reds. We need reds.
We need
I'm
reds,
gonna
we need
iframe
reds.
us now. I'm
Alright,
iframe
let's
now.
go.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay, we should just burst then.
Dropped on my
Coming
own
off in
side.
4, 3, 2, 1. Should pop you, Jenny.
Jenny pop. After Tiger dies, we'll do the swap.
Up,
Bird is a
up.
little low, so care for that. Try not to be in Tiger.
Up.
Alright. Get ready for the swap.
Yep, Tiger down. Okay.
Up.
nice. Kevin, can you come right?
Yep. Careful of the painting.
Where is this?
Bird is
swap?
low.
Yeah, like,
Oh, it's here.
Up.
I'm sorry, I popped the buttons.
Right here.
Oh,
Oh my.
Whoa. Okay. Oh, that's
watch,
all bird side
watch
now.
bird side, bird side, bird side, bird side, bird side.
I'll chill on
Oh,
Tiger
Stay
for a
in-
bit.
stay in Wolf a little bit.
Up.
Wolf will bring it down. I actually can't attack Wolf, so I'm just gonna shoot the bird. 'Cause
Up.
Oh yeah, we're
Make
going
sure
for
you're hitting
bird.
bird. Make sure you're hitting bird. Make sure you're hitting bird. Make sure you're hitting
my
bird.
attacks go to Kalin.
Dog is last.
Okay.
Alright, you can just
Watch
stabilize.
TP.
Up.
Oh
I'll be
my
honest,
god.
I feel like I'm not really doing much right now.
Oh
Just
my
existing.
god. I'm flying across the fucking universe.
Kaling's a bit close to us.
Up.
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 Mm.
Hands.
Oh, fuck.
Break, I got flung.
There's a little
Up.
high. If it gets any higher than this, someone should go to Tiger. Alright, we're good.
Oh
Up.
my.
Oh, we got a.
Third is high.
Oh, bird's high.
Bird side, bird side. Go to Tiger. Go to
I'm
Tiger. Someone go
moving,
to
I'm
Tiger.
moving. Okay. Me and Aura will take strings.
Up.
Okay.
Okay. This is
Okay.
looking good.
We're good. We're good. Up.
Domain
Up.
50.
Burst in 30.
Hands.
Watch CP.
Oh man.
Watch the.
We have another
Up.
origin coming up, right?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
got big origins.
Yeah. Everyone who's in P2 is coming up.
Yellow's getting a bit high.
Okay.
Drag Kaling away.
Awesome.
Drag Kaling.
Awesome.
Drag Kaling. Drag Kaling.
I'm popping buttons in Tiger. Sure.
Alright, I'm gonna
Is this
iframe
mine?
this series.
Yeah, iframe us.
Alright, right now.
Okay, my burst isn't even up yet. But... Okay, okay.
Domain's not up.
Mine's going.
3, 2, 1. Alright, it's off.
Okay. Oh no, I got TV on my bro. I'm griefing. Holy. Okay,
I'm
let's all see our
origining. I'm
usage.
origining.
Okay.
I'll take a red string.
Where should die here?
Okay.
Okay. I don't think
Hit-
we'll kill dog, but don't kill dog before burst.
Yeah, don't kill dog. Don't kill
Yeah.
dog.
We're just gonna DPS him, right?
Yeah.
Just CPS. Get a low. We don't want her doing the FMA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Watch
whoa.
out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch
Oh,
out.
bird.
Get the fuck out of bird. Get the fuck out of bird.
Careful bombs.
Slow
I'm
come over.
popping
Slow
bombs,
come
I'm
over.
popping. Okay. Nice.
Alright, let's go.
Up.
Oh,
I got
hands.
grabbed. I got grabbed. Ah.
I
Oh
never-
my
I
God.
never got grabbed once.
Got yeeted.
Same. I've only
Kaling's
been
coming
yeeted.
left, correct?
Kaling's coming.
Oh wait, we're too much. We're too far left. We're too far left. We're too far left.
No one die.
I'm chilling in Tiger.
Just chill.
I'm popping the.
If you get
Button.
a bomb, be careful if you get the bomb shit.
Yep.
Up.
Chill, because my off burst is nothing. Yep. XD. I'm popping buttons.
Up.
Burst is 1.5 minutes.
Oh.
Maybe like
Yellow's
Watch.
a little
Watch
high.
yellow. Watch yellow. Watch yellow.
Yeah.
got grabbed. I got grabbed.
Up.
Okay, nice.
Okay. Just keep DPSing, dog.
Alright, in like 1 minute,
Up.
this thing's fucking dying.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
Just-
We're good.
oh.
Don't worry.
Careful gauge and careful lights.
Watch gauge.
I'm going
Watch
back to
gauge.
Tiger.
Yellow's high or low. 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 Yellow's low.
Oh wait,
Left,
yellow's
left,
low. Oh my
left,
bad, my
left,
bad.
left, left.
My mistake.
Left strings, left strings.
Up.
Hands.
Found, please. Save me.
Okay, we're good.
Okay, okay. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Oh, shit.
Watch for the
Yo,
bomb,
what
get
Up.
the
Up.
bomb.
Up. Up. Watch your lines. Watch your line. Green. 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 We need greens. We need greens. Tiger.
Oh, frick, my bad.
I'm going to Tiger. I'm popping buttons in Tiger care.
Up.
Alright, alright. I'm going back.
28 on my
30 seconds, guys.
burst.
Just survive 30 seconds.
Yeah. 20 seconds.
Yep.
20 seconds.
50 on domain.
Up.
I think we bursted that domain, to be honest.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay,
That's fine.
yeah,
That's fine.
It's fine. It's fine.
10 seconds.
Keep doing
Up.
what you're doing. I
I'm
need 10
gonna
seconds to make burst.
I'm gonna iframe us now.
Okay.
There we
Then are we going?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going. We're going.
Let's go. Let's go. Go. Go.
Alright, it's going off
Auxiliary
now.
after over.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's off now.
Okay, I'm saving origin for when someone dies.
Yeah, I'm saving origin for last.
Oh wait, I don't even have. Never mind. I'm trolling.
I'm origin.
I'm origin.
Okay. Care.
Just go. Go. Send. 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 Send.
Send.
Just be careful.
Careful for yellow. Yellow's high, so triple right side if you can.
We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it.
Oh,
Let's go.
Let's go.
Holy. Yeah, okay.
Let's go! Oh my god.
Alright, don't hit the box.
Wow.
Get the fuck away from it!
Sengoku's
Let's
gone. Sengoku's gone.
go!
Holy, that was
Oh,
crazy.
that feels
Dude, I
so
can't believe
fucking
even-
good.
Oh,
Hey, someone shit is hitting it. Stop, stop, stop.
Silence from the box.
All right.
Oh my god.
So.
Alright, so we're blinking for grindstone and shit,
You want to
right?
blink first?
Yeah, no, let it. If it drops, then we blank.
Yeah, if it drops, we'll blink.
yeah, if it doesn't drop, it doesn't matter. Right.
Oh
Give me a sec,
my
I'm
god.
swapping.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
swapping right now. I'm sorry.
All right. 415.
415.
Go for it. Go for it.
You want to go higher?
I'm 415 as
415 too.
well.
I'll let me talk at once.
Okay.
Alright.
Your muscle action.
I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit it.
All
Go
right.
for it. Go for it.
Yeah, smack, smack. Good luck.
Woo!
Let's go.
Oh,
We did it! Let's go!